Many ants walking around the leaves. They love the sugar produced by our friends, the aphids. These green disturbing little animals that love to show up when it gets warm. Today, we are proud to present our channel,
Equipo Placa.
And in our first video, we explain a natural remedy to get rid of
hormigas en pulgones,
garlic, onion, water. Cut it, smash it. Now you cover it and wait for 24 hours to let it macerate. Then you boil it for an hour. You filter it. These rests, you might give them to your chicken. Now you can spray your plants and expect them to look like this. So thank you very much for watching, and let us know what you think in the comments. Experiences, tips, ideas, anything is welcome. You might consider subscribing if you want.